Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, October 24th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I finally got my technical problem straightened out. We're back online today. I probably could have taken another day off. Today was kind of a mixed bag for us. The Dow Jones Industrial Average made a nice move today. It closed up 95 points, and normally we would expect pretty good markets for us, but today it was kind of, just pretty mediocre. Had some good news out of China with their economy obviously growing very nicely. When the world's second greatest economy grows, it helps us too. So that was real good. That moved the Dow. And Apple was up some. There's nice things being said about Apple, and that's such a huge market that it actually tends to move the entire market when it moves. I don't particularly like to trade Apple. It just doesn't move enough for me. But anyway, the overall market looked very good today. Our trades were kind of sloppy. We closed out $2,700 in closed out trades, but we're holding. We bought a whole bunch of stuff, and we ended up holding negative $3,000 going into tomorrow. Now, I'm not worried about that. That could turn fabulously profitable tomorrow if things just start to move. But we seem to get into too many negative markets and nothing big and moving to offset that. So we kind of had a day that we're breaking even. That's all right. Every day can't be wildly profitable. Let's take a look at the chart. Okay, here's the Dow Jones Industrial Average again today, and you can see yesterday, of course, they had that sell-off and the market was down a fair amount, but we more than made that up today. We made that up on the first 15 minutes of the open today. Market really took it off and then settled back a little bit, continued to climb, and pulled back just a little at the end. A little bit of softening there, but heck, any day the Dow finishes up 95 points, that's very good. I had the good and bad today. It wasn't all good, or else we would have made more money, but I will show you the bad market first. This is in DGAZ, DeGaz. It's a short natural gas. Velocity Shares is the name of the market, and this market has been both good and bad for us. And I just don't know what to make of it. It's just becoming kind of a hair shirt market because you just can't predict what's going to happen. When it's good, it's very good, and when it's bad, it's terrible. And today it kind of bordered on the terrible. We got this big gap up. We jumped in 30 minutes into the market day. It got a little bit higher, and then it just sells off. So we're holding almost $3,000 in losing shares in this very volatile market. So God knows what will happen tomorrow. It could open up, but it probably won't. Another market I'll show you that we haven't traded this in a long time. That's kind of why I'm showing this to you. This is TDC, which stands for Terra Data Corporation, and this kind of caught my eye because you don't see this here. This move today was an almost perfect 45-degree angle. Markets don't move at 45-degree angles usually, so this was kind of interesting. We jumped into this early afternoon, and it did keep going, and we're holding a couple $1,000s in Teradata Corporation, and that looks real good right now. Anyway, wasn't a great day, but it wasn't a terrible day either. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Friday.